Do you also want to use custom OSs like this on your old phone to make it more fast, or use mods like unlimited Google Photos backup? I have got a detailed video for you explaining right from how to unlock your bootloader to installing a custom recovery and then finally installing a custom ROM of your choice. Let us see how we can unlock our bootloader first. The process of unlocking your bootloader differs in Mediatek and Snapdragon devices. In this video, we are going to discuss about unlocking the bootloader in MTK devices. With my guide, you can unlock the bootloader in any MTK devices out there, be it Xiaomi, Poco, Vivo, Oppo, or even Techno phones. Download Mediatek driver and Mediatek client zip from description of the video. Install the drivers and you will be asked to restart your computer. Go to your phone settings, about phone, and press on the MIUI version or build number 7 times. You tap on the MIUI version in case you have a Xiaomi phone, or tap on the build number 7 times when you have a phone from other brands like Realme or Oppo. Developer options in unlock, tap on it and search for OEM unlocking. Turn on OEM unlocking and your phone is ready to be connected with your PC now. After installing the MTK drivers, extract the MTK client zip. You will need to ensure you are connected to the internet while opening it for the first time. Once extracted, open the folder and run the start.bat file in it. Double click on it to run it. It will open a command prompt, select yes with the arrow keys and hit enter. Now you are gonna have to let it download all the required files and it's gonna install automatically. The download time will vary according to your internet speed. It will download all the MTK client related files. Do note that internet is required only while opening it for the first time. Once downloaded, you can use this tool anywhere offline. I would also advise you to reboot your computer once you reach this screen to avoid any unnecessary errors, since you install the Mediatek drivers and the client GUI. Once restarted, go to the extracted folder of the MTK client GUI and run the bat file again. Switch off the phone and do not go into fast boot or recovery. Simply switch it off and connect to your PC. Once you open the bat file, select unlock bootloader and press Y to continue. Now connect phone with the power and both volume keys pressed. You will hear the USB connected notification from your Windows device. Leave the keys as soon as you see your device has been detected. Your bootloader is now unlocked and you can exit the MTK app. On Redmi devices like this, you will see an unlock symbol on the splash screen while you turn on your phone. This tutorial was only for Mediatek devices and do not try this on any Snapdragon based devices.